for this last presentation on selective paper. I have taken the topic like narrative side of three stories by R.K. Narayan. First, the watchman; second, the snake in the grass; and the last, the mule companion. The narrative tactic or narrative side that I found, that I felt in while reading the three stories is like that: informative and subjective. The start of the story will tell you that it is informative. It will give you first information, then it will lead you directly to the subject or character. The narrative technique is like someone is standing beside the character and he himself is narrating the story. That means this is the character, and now he is this and that. He will go to that place. He will go to this place. Now, standing beside, it means that he is very familiar with the character, or he does belong to the same caste or rural area or regional area. So it is little bit subjective, and whatever the narrator will narrate the story, it will be from the subjective point of view. These are the three stories, and what I found more in this story is probability as well as possibility. And in that, possibility is stronger than probability. It will make you first that narration is probable. It may be, but then after thinking a lot, it will tell you that it is possible. It may be possible. There are some examples from the story that I have taken some photos. The start of the story, the watchman. There was still a faint flash of red on the western horizon. The watchman stood on the tank bund and took a final survey. He is a surveyor. He takes the care of a river, a kind of pond, and like a jogging park where anyone can walk and they can spare the time. It is the place, and the place is narrated by the omniscient narrator. Second one, the watchman stood, a snake in the grass. On sunny afternoon, when the inmates of the bungalow were at their siesta, means when we take the food and then after we go to sleep for 2 or 3 hours. That is siesta. A cyclist ran his pair at the gate frantically and announced, "A big cobra has got into your compound." So the narration starts with some suspicion, and what will be, whether it is true or not. So first it will make you confused, and then it will make you possible. Yeah, that may be possible. There will be a cobra. The mute companion. It is about this is a story about one deaf and dumb man who is a kind of clown who always makes other people joyful by showing some tricks. And another companion is monkey, who is very well planned and well trained. So the narration goes like, other players had this advantage over him. They could ask for hours, while he could only make a sort of gurgling that comes from the sound of throat from it comes. A sort of gurgling at the throat, and this gurgling had to serve him for exaggerating all his ideas. One day, opening his eye from a stupor, he was a tiny monkey. Then narration goes. Now, I told you that it is omniscient narrator. So, the thinking process of the character, it is very familiar to the narrator. So, at the same, which are these different structures that help to the narrator that some thoughts are going on in the mind of the character. The example is his thought. For a second that it might be a ghost. Went up to investigate if it was anyone. No, but at this hour. It is about the watchman, he is a surveyor and he thinks that it might be a ghost. Basically, it was a madam, Memsahib, and she was trying to commit suicide in pond. So, in atmosphere of night, he thinks that it may be a ghost also. Let me see. So he thinks, and even narrator also knows that he is thinking like that, or he must think on it. Second one, they replied that they didn't know. Sami believed that after it had gone through the ventilator, it was caught and kept in the house. So he believed, and the narrator knows that he is believing in this idea. Probability and possibility, as it was a concept given by Aristotle, if I am not mistaken. Here there is an example. Does it mean that there are two cobras here at the end of the story, snake in the grass? So it confuses us. At last, probably this is someone else. It is an example taken from the watchman. It is about a lady who had gone away, and after so many years she comes. But it is not true that whether she is that lady or not. So the character thinks that probably this is someone else. So it also makes us confused that it is true or not. These are the various observations that I found, neither serious nor comic, live narrative, but suspicious in disguise. It gives a live and very comic description, so that it will create a kind of suspicion in your mind that it may be not true. Repetition. Some sentences are repeated so that the narrator's main reason or intention to us is we should think on it. These sentences are more important, so think over it. Analogical description. The character watchman and that unknown lady, they are conversing with each other, one another, and at that time the watchman thinks that you are not only facing the problems in your life, even my problems are stronger than you. So you should only think about others. Complicating the matter, it is as Indian tendency that instead of solving the problem, we just complicate the matter and then we shout continuously. So in the story like snake in the grass, where someone or family members found a snake in the grass, it is not probable, it is not possible, because they don't know. That is why the neighbors of the house, they also blame the Dasa, who is a servant of that bungalow, and instead of helping him, they blame him, and they also scold that it is your fault, you should take care of it. This is how they complicate the matter. Half narration always makes the narrative technique very confused one. Accidentally encounter and departure. Base ornaments to intensify the narrative style. Accident and encounter means two characters come together by accident, and at the same time, at end, they also meet again. For example, in The Watchman, the snake in the grass, where one cyclist comes, so it is an unintentional encounter with various characters. In story like The Mute Companions, where an old man or poor person finds a monkey, and he also trains him to play various tricks. And at last, by accident, he goes away. I mean that monkey. So it is an accidental encounter. So it will intensify the narrative style of the story. That is all about three stories. And I have taken these references from my dear Dr. also and Narayan Chandra Banyan. Thank you.